Hi, and welcome to Total Therapy Solutions. My name's Tony Maritato, and I'm one of the physical therapists here. Total Therapy Solutions is the local expert on post-operative orthopedic care. What that means is that if you've had a knee replacement or a hip replacement, if you've had shoulder rotator cuff repair surgery, this is the place for you. Our therapists are highly trained experts in post-operative care. We work closely with all the local orthopedic surgeons, from sports medicine to orthopedic specialists, because we know how important the communication is between you, the patient, your physician, and your physical therapy team. So if you're looking for post-operative care, check us out. We're located here in Middletown, Ohio, and we have a second location in Monroe, Ohio. Again, my name is Tony Maritato. You can find us on our website, totaltherapysolutions.com, or just come by the office and say hello. We look forward to meeting you.